GuardsPro allows you to add different overtime multipliers for all the guards registered in the system. This lets you schedule guards based on the overtime wage rates so as to ensure a balance between the work hours and the respective payments. Often, you may need the guards to work overtime, for which the regular hourly pay rate may not be applicable. For such scenarios, GuardsPro lets you define different overtime multipliers applicable to different cases where overtime might be needed. To set up the overtime multipliers, click on the Payroll tab on the main menu and select Overtime Multiplier from the drop-down menu. Now, click on the Add New Multiplier. On the next page, enter a name for the overtime and select the guards from the drop-down list for whom the overtime rate would be applicable. While selecting the type of overtime multiplier, you have 3 options to choose from. Days. This option lets you choose the days for which the multiplier will be applicable. The weekends are selected as default in the system. You select the days as per your requirement. Then mention the regular work hours per day after which overtime will be applicable. Enter in the rate multiplier and simply click Save. Holidays. This rate will be applicable if the guards are paid overtime to work on holidays. You just need to enter in the rate multiplier and add the holidays one by one. Weekly. You can set a rate reminder on a weekly basis if you have defined weekly work hours for the guards. Simply mention the regular hours per week after which the overtime will be applicable, set the rate multiplier, and click Save. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.